Shalom family, in this video we'll take a look at the prophecy of Daniel 9:24. When we read Daniel 9:24, it reads, 70 weeks are determined upon thy people, upon the set apart city, to finish the transgression and to make an end of sins, and to make reconciliation for iniquity, and to bring in everlasting righteousness, and to seal up the vision and prophecy, and to anoint the most set apart. Bear in mind that 1 week equals 7 years. So Gabriel was sent to reveal to Daniel the mystery of the prophecy. So 1 week equals 7 years. He's talking about a period of 490 years, 70 years in the captivity, and then 420 years after will be used for the children of Israel, particularly the house of Judah, to return back home and rebuild the temple that would last for a period of 420 years before Rome can come and destroy the temple. Now let's get back to the Word document. Based on what we are told in history surrounding the Babylonian and Persian captivity, until the time Yahudah returned and rebuild the temple, and what's written in the script and the computations involved are clear indications that things are not adding up. The 70 weeks or 490 years prophecy, Daniel 9:24, would have to be fulfilled by approximately 97 BCE. Some folks said BC. And here's why. If Babylon conquered Jerusalem in 587 BCE, and 49 years later, Cyrus gave the proclamation to rebuild and restore Jerusalem, that would bring us to 538 BCE. Now, for Yahudah to complete the 70 years captivity as prophesied by Jeremiah 25:11, we would now come to 517 BCE, or 21 years later. At this point in time, Yahudah would have completed their full 10 weeks or 70 years. 10 weeks times 7 equals 70 years. So again, it says at this point in time, Yahudah would have completed their full 10 weeks or 70 years of captivity, 49 in Babylon plus 21 in Persia, and returned back home to start the rebuilding process, including the temple. We now have 60 weeks or 420 years to deal with before Rome come and destroy the temple under Titus. We are told that Titus destroyed the temple in 70 AD, but is that true? That's the question we have to ask ourselves. If we go back 3 paragraphs above, remember Judah returned in 517 BCE to start the rebuilding process. Now, 420 years later will bring us to 97 BCE, way long before Jesus' birth. Like I said, somebody's lying, and it sure ain't Yah. Conclusion: I believe that Yah sent his messenger Gabriel to reveal unto Daniel the meaning of the 70 weeks prophecy, which ended in 97 BCE. After this, there was a conspiracy by the Christian church, mainly Rome, to devise a wicked literature surrounding this J-ESUS'S and the New Testament. Our people was already out of the land, which was now occupied by foreigners. No wonder J-ESUS'S appeared on the scene 46 years later in 4 or 6 AD. And with that, family, I would like to say shalom again, and I encourage everyone to share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Share our videos, like it, and subscribe to our channel. And with that, again, I say shalom, shalom.